Like, it's your only option. There's actually no indoor shower, so I hope you're ready to shower outside.
Hi, I'm Kate.
I'm Joey.
We are from Mr. Kate. We are longtime YouTubers, content creators in the interior design space.
Welcome to our house. So we got this property here a couple years ago, and one of the features we love about it is that it has a guest house, which of course, living in Hawaii, we have a lot of visitors.
So having what is called an ohana unit, a family unit here, is so special and so important. So we want to make this space really welcoming.
We get to create this sort of tropical oasis in this house. We have an outdoor shower. Like, it's your only option. There's actually no indoor shower. So I hope you're ready to shower outside.
We have planned the design for the space.
We shopped the space.
We've gone back and forth on some things, settled finally on the items that we're really excited to get. Everything's been ordered and
It's on its way.
it's on the way. The vision for a space really does come together in the shopping. Actually selecting the items to put in a space is where the design really happens. And then of course, wait and get really excited. Love. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We are so thrilled with how everything looks. The spaces have come together and
It
they're
looks
beautiful.
so good. Do you have a favorite room out of all those makeovers that you just love?
That's so hard. I mean, of course, okay, I'm about to name them all. Of course, I love the lanai because outdoor living is just what we get to soak up so much here on the island. I really love how the green sofa paid off in the living room because it's right underneath that window where you see all the gorgeous tropical foliage outside.
Thank you for bringing so much flavor into our home. If you would have left it to me, it would have just been like,
Oh,
boring.
stop.
There's so much
The
personal
muscle.
touch.
He carried and moved all the heavy things. We are totally obsessed with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this process of us taking an empty house and making it a home. Bye.
Bye, guys.